What is going on, guys? Sir Luis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be talking to you guys today about how to get the Coinbase card, crypto card, whatever you want to call it, which in my opinion is the best crypto card at the moment. Obviously in the future there's going to be newer cards, cashback crypto cards, but for me at the moment this is the one that I will be using to get free crypto and get rewards for buying everyday things like gas and everything like that. And using this card, getting up to 4% back crypto is just amazing and something that you should definitely take advantage of if you're pro crypto. So let's get started here on how to get this and why I think this is the best one. I'm gonna show you guys here all my reasons and how to use this card, because there's some little details on how to go about using this card. So first off, to get this, you're gonna need a Coinbase account if you still don't have one. If you use my referral code in the description and pinned comment below, you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin. So definitely use that. And all you gotta do is right here on the home page, you just scroll all the way down. Okay, as you guys can see, it should say Coinbase card. Obviously I already did mine, but it's very simple. You just click on it and then you say that you're gonna want one, and then it's just a few clicks and then they say that they're gonna send you it. It should be coming in like about 20 days, but you can already use your card buying things online and stuff like that. Even in stores you can already use it. They give you the numbers and everything like that, and you could even lock it right here in the app, and I'll be showing you guys here how to do it. So after clicking all that and getting your card, obviously you don't have the physical yet. That's gonna be coming soon, but you can still use it, and I'm going to show you guys here the best way that I found to use it. So right off the bat, the reason why I love this card and why I think it's the best one at the moment, let's just start off with the fact that it's like a prepaid card, like a debit card, because you're going to be putting money in and you're going to be using that money. So it's not a credit card, which is a great thing for me because I really don't like credit cards or using credit. I prefer debit cards and just buying things that you can afford, right? Not borrowing it and having to pay interest and all that stuff. So that's a great plus. Number two is that what you guys should do is pay with USDC coin. Okay, why? The reason why is, so right here you can actually change the asset. Okay, if I use anything besides USD coin to pay, like to use this card to pay for gas or stuff like that. Let's say for example I have a lot of Bitcoin, I want to use Bitcoin, right? Click submit. It tells you right here, right off the bat, why this is not good. First off, there's going to be a 2.49% fee. So basically what happens when you use the card and you set it up to, pay with Bitcoin, it says we sell your BTC each time you make a purchase, which incurs a fee. So 2.49, that's pretty big in my opinion. That adds up as you guys spend. And also on top of that, that's a tax event. So let's say you're selling your BTC, because you're basically selling some of your BTC. So that is basically a tax event. And on top of that, you get a fee on that. So I definitely don't recommend any other crypto here besides USDC coin. When you buy USDC coin, there's no fee for it on Coinbase or basically anywhere. There's no fee. Compared to the other cryptos on Coinbase, there is a pretty big fee. But for USDC, to put money on Coinbase for USDC, there's no fee. You want to put $200, just put it in. It should say right here available $200 that you can spend with this card. And this is the best part. This is why I love this card, and it's this right here, what you can earn back. This is your crypto reward. So I'm going to tell you guys here what I'm doing and my reason why, and I think it's way smarter. So right here they have all these 1% back in BTC, ETH, which are great cryptos, even Dogecoin, right, and DAI. But right here we have 4% back in the Graph and 4% back in XLM. And the reason why I have the XLM is, first off, 4% back versus 1% back. Like, I don't care what crypto that is. I want to get the bigger percent back. And XLM is a great crypto. The Graph is a good one too. If you choose that, that's fine. But XLM to me is a better one because it's very similar to XRP. It's very fast in transactions. But the thing is that 4% is amazing. And here's the thing. If you don't like XLM or even the Graph, use them. So use 4% back on XLM. If you don't like XLM, if you want to sell that, you basically send that XLM that you got 4% to Coinbase Pro. And then on Coinbase Pro, you can sell it there. You can sell it on Coinbase Pro. The reason why I'm saying to send this to Coinbase Pro is because on Coinbase Pro, when you buy and sell, the fees are way cheaper. I think it's like 0.05, and it's way cheaper. Just trust me, it's way cheaper than on Coinbase. Or you can just simply withdraw your XLM and transfer to another exchange out there like Kucoin or some other exchange where you can sell your XLM or swap it for another coin, another crypto that you like. So in my opinion, this is the best way, and you get more than having it 1% on BTC if you want to get Bitcoin, all you gotta do is use XLM, 4% on XLM, and you want to get Bitcoin, you just send that XLM to another exchange and buy Bitcoin or swamp it or whatever. And I guarantee you're going to get more Bitcoin than just having it on the 1% back in BTC. So that's my logical thinking on this. You know what I mean? It just makes complete reason to have it on XLM or even the Graph. 4% is pretty high. And the best part is that withdrawals are free on Coinbase and on Coinbase Pro. So you can withdraw it anytime you want and it's completely free. And you can sell it or swap it for any coin that you want. So that's how I'm using this card, okay, and my reason behind it. And why I think it's amazing, because I can literally put USDC fast from my bank. Like I could put $1,000 worth of USDC. So let's say, you know, gas is $40, right? $40 times 0.04 is going to be $1.60, right? Obviously it's pretty low, but basically every time you buy gas, $40 worth of gas or whatever, you're gonna get $1.60 worth of XLM that you can sell for another crypto coin, or you can just keep it as XLM. And XLM at the current price is 33 cents, which can one day, who knows, go to $1. So that's not just the only thing. Let's say you spend, I don't know, $400 or something times 0.04, you're gonna get $16, guys, $16 back in crypto, right? So this is amazing. This is why I think this is the best card at the current moment. We'll see in the future if there's any other cards out there that can stand next to this one. And let me show you guys here. Click on manage at the top right, and you will see your card. And if you click right here at the eye, it shows your card number. So you can buy something online, you just click on that, you'll be able to see your card number, all the information right there, just by pressing the eye right there. So right here you can add funds, you can activate your card after you get it in the mail, you can add it to your Apple Wallet, which is pretty cool. And this is awesome here too. If you lose that card, once you get it, if you lose it somehow, click lock card, and it basically gets locked. Nobody can use that card. So you can set your PIN right over here, and when you use it in an ATM or another place, you'll have that PIN that only you know, and you can put it in, and you can just set it right here in the app. So that's basically it, guys. That's the Coinbase card, and you know, all the features that it has and how to use it in the way that I would use it right at the current moment with the 4% XLM. And again, if you don't have Coinbase yet, use my referral code. You get $10 free worth of Bitcoin. And leave your comments if you guys got any questions about this video or anything about crypto related, and I'll definitely respond. And thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.